today I have yet another Harry Potter unboxing video. This is one of the second Culturefly boxes that I got for my birthday. Can you believe that I waited from February 18th till now to unbox this with you guys on camera? Like I said, I do not know how I am doing this because I am not a patient person. And I mean, like, I literally waited. These were sitting in the plastic, but I did take the plastic off so you guys will not get a sneak peek of what's inside. And like I said, I did not open this box yet. We're gonna do it together. But I took the plastic off to save some time. But first of all, I want to talk about the weather. It is getting so beautiful out there right now. My feed is getting really colorful, so if you guys do not follow me on social media, definitely follow me, especially on Instagram. I'm really active on there. And look, my sister gave me a fresh cut and color and style. It kind of got like flat because my hair just cannot stay tame no matter what they do. Like, they'll straighten and it just gets frizzy. Like, you can give me the neatest style and it just gets frizzy and flat. I mean, I have naturally really curly hair, so that's what happens with that. But enough with my hair. Let's open this. So, oh my gosh, what fell? Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek first. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. Oh no, that's a terrible sneak peek. Okay, so we're going to open this. Ooh! I don't think my other one had a card inside. This one is for like a discount. 50% off your first order on Culturefly.com. That is interesting. So, the first thing that we have is this really cool hat. But look at this hat. I'm gonna put this on. Oh. Okay. 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 So, okay, yeah, we're gonna leave this on because I'm just weird like that. And then we are going to move to, oh, there's some more socks in here. These are so cute. I mean, it's getting warmer now, but I mean, you can never pass up or go wrong with a good pair of socks because, hey, on those like chilly summer days or like when you come out of the pool and stuff like that, you know, just put on some cute socks with an oversized shirt and, mwah, you know, watch a movie. You are like good to go, guys. I cannot wait for that. So excited. I just had a medium mocha coffee from Dunkin' Donuts with the whipped cream and syrup, so I'm like really hyper right now. It's like kicking in. I'm so excited. Ooh, a sign. How do you open this? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do this. Ooh, it says Nocturne Alley on one side and Diagon Alley on the other side. So, what I'm going to do is try to decide what side I want this on. I mean, I do have a Diagon Alley sign outside of my door, so maybe I will make it a little darker and put a Nocturne Alley sign. That's pretty interesting. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. These prints are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have, how many prints are in here? There are even like Hogwarts like seals to put on them. Thicker seals. How cute is that? I like that. Oh, they're little envelopes too. This is Hogwarts on it. But I mean, honestly, these are postcards and I'm not sending these to anybody. I'm gonna keep them for my wall. What the heck? Oh man, these are so cute. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna just insert a picture over this so you guys could see because I don't think the camera will pick it up. But we have Thestrals care only visible by those who have seen death. We're traveling by flu powder. Speak clearly. I did not read that properly. This one says, all aboard the Hogwarts Express. And this one says, the Vanishing Cabinet. That is pretty darn cool. These are so cute. But like I said, I mean, I'm not sending these out. So these will stay for my collection because why would I give those away? I mean, I could like just put like tack on the back, like sticky tack or like some tape. Just put it on my wall. I mean, I don't know. I'll decide what I'm gonna do about that. So what happened was, honestly, I took off a lot of my posters. You guys might see that in like a vlog or maybe I could show you on Instagram. And I took off a lot of my Harry Potter posters. Oh gosh, I almost dropped that. But what I want... My sister's laughing at me. The box just doesn't want to stay up. But yeah, I did that because it's spring. I'm doing some spring cleaning, getting rid of things that I don't want and stuff like that. And I just wanted to take my posters off the walls because I want to frame them. And they're getting a little like, I don't know what to say, like wrinkled at the edges and stuff, and I'm like, no, not my Harry Potter poster. So I took them down and I put them under my bed really neatly and flat, and I put something on top so they stay flat. And whenever I get them framed and whenever I get room, I'm gonna put them back up. But just to protect my stuff, I just took them out. Took them off. So, ooh. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little model of Hogwarts. Oh my god, this looks so cute on my shelves. Oh my god, look how cute that is. I mean, I do have a little model of Hogwarts. It's one of those like sticker boxes that you get at Barnes & Noble, like those sticker kits or whatever you call them. And this is definitely different from that. But it's like more detailed. I don't know. I'm looking at the other one right now. Like, let me see if I could show it to you guys. Ooh. Okay, we're still focused. This is the one from the sticker kit. It's not gonna focus. And then this is the one from the box. They're so cute. I should probably just like insert a picture so you guys can see them better. But like, that's really adorable and I'm really liking it. Like, I could put one on a different shelf. Like, I'm just like out of room completely, but I'm definitely keeping everything in this box. I do wear hats sometimes. I probably won't wear this out, but I mean, it would be cute for photos and stuff, or maybe I could just give it to my dad. I mean, he might wear this. I don't know. Probably not gonna wear that out. Stop laughing at me, my sister. She's the worst. She always laughs at me when I'm filming. But honestly, guys, that is it for today's video. That was this box. I really like it. I'm not sure what it was valued at. I think they're all around like $19.88 at Walmart. And these boxes, like this one and the one I previously unboxed, were really hard to find. And I do not know how my parents hunted that down for my birthday. So like, props to my mom and dad. I mean, that was amazing. They found some merch before I did. How did that happen? I'm always the one finding it first. But that was really cool. But I mean, I think that it's worth the value. I like what's inside. I mean, a lot of people have different opinions, but I did really enjoy both boxes, and I do hope that there are more boxes. And if you guys want to see me unbox any more boxes, leave some comments down below. Let me know what your favorite thing was in this box, and let me know, will you be purchasing this too as well? And guys, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads of mine. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah. I can feel your energy.